Hello. Welcome back to my channel. So, guys, in this video, I would like to share to you. This was our trip went to the state of Tennessee. We traveled and famous Smoky Mountain National Park, and this is our second day. So, as you can see, guys, the old trees are started to change their colors, and that's why my husband take me there because she want me to witness the place when the trees like to change the color, and it's so beautiful. And aside from that, I've seen a lot of beautiful places, beautiful nature's view, like rivers like that. Tingnan nyo, guys, the water is so cold and clear and clean. I've seen a lot of birds, guys. Ang ganda talaga. The place is so pretty. So we really enjoyed our travel together on that day. And then, ang ganda, the weather is so nice. It's not cold, it's not warm, just enough. But, I'm wearing jacket at the time. And I've seen a lot of people also traveling from different states too. So we were just exploring the place and we don't even know where to stop to get more, pictures and videos on that place. I think this is the place where we went to one of the campgrounds. So I think we ended up in a campground in this video, guys. But anyway, I hope you enjoy and you also like the place. So once again, hopefully lahat ng all my visitors, please don't forget to subscribe and then leave a comment below. And once again, like and share. Enjoy.